Do you guys want to start creating a passive income online using Amazon FBA, but you don't know how or where to start? Well, check this out, because in this video I'm going to show you the 3 reasons of why I created a completely free Amazon FBA mini course for you. So let's just get to the point and talk about the 3 reasons of why I created this mini course. So the first one is super simple. I get asked a lot, how do I get started selling on Amazon? What is the best way to get started? And my response is one of 2 things. Go to YouTube, absorb as much content as you can, try to sift through the good information and the bad and try to piece it all together. Or you can go buy a full-blown course for $500,000, $800,000 and you will learn everything that you need to know. But the problem with that is you're just trying to get started and you're trying to decide whether or not you want to pursue it. So that is the first reason, is I want to give you guys a place to start. And then after that, you can start understanding what Amazon FBA is, what it requires, what it's going to take to be successful, and then you can decide whether or not it's a good fit for you. So the first reason is to get you guys started. And the second reason is to get your feet wet, to then make a decision of whether you want to continue to start selling, or if you want to pursue it, or maybe you want to go a different route and start up a different kind of business. So those are the first 2 reasons of why I have the mini course, and I hope you guys take advantage of all that free content that is in the mini course. So the third reason is I want you guys to try before you buy. So if you didn't know this, I do have a completely full Amazon FBA champion course that will take you from A to Z, teaching you everything that you need to know to be successful and to scale your business to a 6-figure business. So that is my goal, is to help you, and I have the mini course that is going to bring you a bunch of value. And with that, you can then decide whether or not you like the information that I'm giving you, if you like my teaching style, and then if you do, you can buy. So you're trying my information, you're trying before you buy. And so that's only fair to you, is to see what I'm going to bring to the table. And I don't want you guys to give me money if you aren't enjoying and you don't like the information that I'm providing. So that is the third reason, is you need to try before you buy. So those are the 3 main reasons of why I have this free FBA mini course. So I hope you guys enjoy, take advantage of it, and absorb all the content, take notes, and really apply everything that I'm teaching you. I talk about how to create a seller account, how to source a product, get it shipped to you, or ship it straight to Amazon, and then create a product listing, and then to start selling. I also talk about product research, which is one of the most important steps to building a successful Amazon business. So I literally go over a lot of detail in this mini course. So go down and click the link down below and register and get signed up for the free FBA Champion mini course. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you guys now understand why I have a free mini course. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure you go down and subscribe so you guys can get notified when I upload more videos, because my whole goal is to help you and I want you to succeed. So I just want to give back to you, and I also want to thank you guys for supporting me and following along with my journey. It's been super fun to see how far I've come. Whether you guys think it's a lot of progress or not, I've been having a lot of fun, and I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. So go down and subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment, and I hope to see you in the mini course, or in the course, or I will see you on social media, on YouTube, Instagram, wherever it may be. I wish you the best, and I'm super excited for you guys to start your journey selling on Amazon. So we will see you soon.